Looking for the top 11 best solar-powered security camera options that deliver reliable protection without messy wiring? You're in the right place. I've researched and reviewed some of the most popular Amazon models to help you find the perfect camera for your home or property. From crystal clear 2K and 8-megapixel resolution to smart AI detection and full 360-degree coverage, these cameras are designed to keep you secure day and night. Here on Camera Lab, I break everything down in a simple, honest way. Before we get started, make sure to check the link in the description below for price and details, and subscribe now. SOLIOM 360-degree solar camera. The SOLIOM 360-degree solar camera is perfect if you want complete panoramic coverage without blind spots. I love how the 360-degree viewing angle lets you monitor large areas like driveways, backyards, or farms with a single device. The solar panel keeps the battery charged throughout the day, reducing the need for manual recharging. Video quality is sharp and clear, making it easy to identify people and vehicles. Motion detection alerts arrive quickly on your phone, helping you stay updated in real time. The night vision performance is impressive, capturing detailed footage even in low light. Installation is straightforward and the wireless design makes placement flexible. If you need wide coverage with dependable solar power, this camera is a fantastic option. 2K Solar PTZ Camera. The 2K Solar PTZ camera stands out because of its pan, tilt, and zoom functionality. I really like how you can remotely rotate the camera to follow movement across a wide area. The 2K resolution delivers crisp and detailed video, which makes a noticeable difference compared to basic HD cameras. The built-in solar panel ensures consistent charging, so you don't have to worry about frequent battery maintenance. Motion alerts are accurate and customizable, reducing unnecessary notifications. Two-way audio lets you communicate directly through the camera, which is great for deliveries or unexpected visitors. Night vision keeps footage clear after dark. If you want wide viewing angles combined with sharp resolution and solar efficiency, this PTZ model is a strong choice.
4G LTE Solar Cameras. 4G LTE solar cameras are ideal for locations without Wi-Fi access. I find them especially useful for remote properties, construction sites, or rural areas. Instead of relying on traditional internet connections, these cameras use cellular networks for real-time monitoring. The solar panel keeps the battery powered, making them highly independent and low maintenance. Video quality is clear and motion detection works reliably even in isolated environments. Alerts are sent directly to your smartphone, so you're always informed. The weatherproof design ensures durability in harsh outdoor conditions. Installation is simple since no wired internet setup is required. If you need dependable security in off-grid areas, these 4G LTE solar cameras provide flexibility, convenience, and peace of mind. 5G Solar Wi-Fi Camera. The 5G Solar Wi-Fi camera offers faster and more stable connectivity for smoother live streaming. I appreciate how quickly it responds when accessing footage through the app. The solar charging system keeps the battery topped up, reducing downtime. Video clarity is impressive, capturing detailed images during both day and night. Motion detection is accurate, and smart alerts notify you instantly of activity. The two-way audio feature allows direct communication with visitors. Its weather-resistant build makes it suitable for year-round outdoor use. Setup is simple thanks to its wireless design. If you want high-speed connectivity paired with reliable solar performance and clear video quality, this 5G solar Wi-Fi camera is a solid addition to your security setup. SOLIOM 5MP Solar Cameras. SOLIOM 5MP solar cameras deliver sharp image quality with enhanced detail. I noticed the difference immediately when reviewing recorded footage, especially when zooming in. The 5MP resolution ensures clearer identification of faces and objects. The solar panel efficiently maintains battery life, minimizing manual charging. Motion alerts are timely and customizable to fit your preferences. Night vision works effectively, providing clear monitoring after sunset. The camera's sturdy, weatherproof design handles outdoor conditions with ease. Installation is simple and completely wireless, allowing flexible placement around your property. If you're looking for upgraded resolution and reliable solar power from a trusted brand, the SOLIOM 5MP model offers dependable performance for everyday security monitoring. 2K Solar AI Security Camera.
The 2K Solar AI security camera combines sharp resolution with intelligent detection features. I really like how the AI system can distinguish between people, vehicles, and general motion, reducing false alerts. The 2K video quality ensures detailed and vibrant footage throughout the day. Solar charging keeps the camera powered consistently, even with frequent activity. Two-way audio allows instant communication through the app. Night vision captures clear images in low light conditions, enhancing overall security coverage. The wireless installation makes setup quick and hassle-free. If you're looking for upgraded resolution and reliable solar power from a trusted brand, this AI-powered solar camera is an excellent modern solution for reliable home protection.
4-megapixel solar security system. The 4-megapixel solar security system offers a balance between clarity and efficiency. I appreciate the crisp video resolution that provides better detail than standard HD cameras. The included solar panel maintains battery life, helping the system operate continuously without frequent recharging. Motion detection alerts are fast and reliable, keeping you informed instantly. The weather-resistant construction ensures durability in rain, heat, or cold conditions. Night vision delivers clear monitoring after dark, adding extra peace of mind. Installation is simple thanks to the wireless setup. If you want a dependable mid-range solar security solution with strong image quality and reliable performance, this 4-megapixel system provides excellent value and consistent protection. Zoomimall 2K Solar Camera. The Zoomimall 2K Solar Camera is known for its user-friendly design and dependable performance. I like how simple the setup process is, making it ideal even for beginners. The 2K resolution delivers clear, detailed footage for monitoring entrances and outdoor spaces. The solar panel efficiently supports the rechargeable battery, reducing maintenance needs. Motion detection is responsive and app notifications arrive quickly. Two-way audio allows you to speak directly through the camera when needed. Night vision ensures visibility even in darker environments. The compact design blends well with most exteriors. If you're looking for an easy-to-install solar security camera with reliable 2K clarity and solid everyday performance, this 2K system provides excellent value and consistent protection. Solar 2K PTZ Camera Kit. The Solar 2K PTZ Camera Kit provides flexible viewing with pan, tilt, and zoom controls. I enjoy being able to adjust the camera angle remotely for wider coverage. The 2K resolution produces sharp and vibrant footage, helping capture important details. Solar charging keeps the battery powered throughout the day. Motion alerts are accurate and customizable, reducing unnecessary notifications. Night vision performs well, maintaining clarity in low light. The kit setup makes installation straightforward and convenient. Two-way audio enhances interaction directly through the camera. If you want adjustable viewing angles combined with solar convenience and strong image quality, this PTZ Camera Kit offers comprehensive monitoring for various outdoor spaces. SOLIOM 8-megapixel solar camera. The SOLIOM 8-megapixel solar camera stands out with its ultra-high resolution. I was impressed with the exceptional detail and clarity, especially when zooming in to recorded footage. The 8-megapixel sensor captures crisp images that make identifying faces and objects easier. The solar panel efficiently supports continuous operation, reducing charging concerns. Motion detection is responsive, sending real-time alerts directly to your device. Night vision remains sharp and reliable after sunset. The weatherproof build ensures durability in outdoor conditions. Installation is simple thanks to its wireless design. If you want premium-level clarity combined with reliable solar performance, the SOLIOM 8-megapixel camera delivers advanced security monitoring with outstanding image quality.
Dual 2-megapixel solar camera. The dual 2-megapixel solar camera offers expanded coverage with two lenses working together. I like how the dual camera setup reduces blind spots and increases viewing angles. Each 2-megapixel lens delivers clear and steady video suitable for monitoring wider areas. The solar panel keeps the battery charged, supporting continuous operation without frequent maintenance. Motion alerts are reliable and delivered quickly through the mobile app. Night vision provides clear footage even in darker environments. The weather-resistant construction ensures dependable outdoor performance. Installation remains simple due to its wireless and solar-powered design. If you want broader coverage without installing multiple separate cameras, this dual-lens solar option provides efficient and practical security monitoring.
Those are my top 11 best solar-powered security camera picks for reliable, wire-free protection. Whether you need 360-degree coverage, AI smart detection, cellular connectivity, or ultra-high resolution, there's a model here that fits your needs. Solar technology makes installation easier and keeps maintenance low, which is a huge advantage for outdoor security. Be sure to check the link in the description for updated pricing and full product details. If you found this review helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it. Subscribe to Camera Lab and ring the notification bell so you never miss our latest tech reviews.